right, look at this.
Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary. So here we are. We are in a Deluxe Studio Standard View. You come in, you have the bathroom.
The bathroom's got this little slide door here.
Kind of a smaller bathroom. Just the one vanity and just, you know, the basic tub. We do have some H2O products.
Nice.
So yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, nice. It is a little small.
Right.
Especially if you have 2 people getting ready.
Right, and we have 4 for this one because we're only here for one night.
And we're moving over to our own.
Here's like the kitchenette area. So you have your paper products, kitchen, coffee pot, real coffee pot, which I like. You have, you know, drawer space for your coffee and utensils and everything that you would need in like a kitchenette, microwave, mini fridge. So it's kind of nice if you had some
storage there,
groceries and stuff that you wanted to like store and put away. Like I said, we're only here for one night, so we're not gonna really settle in with that kind of stuff, but we will at Riviera probably. But yeah. Toaster.
There you go. It's got it all.
So full little kitchen area.
It's got it all.
Closet. We've got, you know, basic extra pillows in your luggage rack thing, and ironing. Come in, you have your queen bed here. Mickey art.
There you go.
We've got the TV. Oh, we better turn on our Disney channel.
Music.
Disney music. More storage.
And more covered space, yep.
Drawers. There we go. We've got to set the mood. We're at Disney World. You're not at Disney until you get at the resort and turn on your TV.
Put the TV on.
Yeah, we just need Stacy. We're missing Stacy's must-dos. This is a queen pull-out.
It does fold out. Yep.
It will pull out into a bed. And then we obviously have all of our stuff here, but we have, you know, table and chairs, but we're gonna put our luggage away and kind of get situated with my parents who are here with us, and they're out checking the resort out and hanging out right now.
Speaking of, let's take a look outside. So we're on the first floor. And it's a pretty cool view. It has like the courtyard with the bocce ball courts right out here.
This is technically a standard view.
But you can see the pool. It's the pool.
Ball, they have like the pool table and recreation over there. The pool is over there.
Yeah, you can see the water slide.
Last time we stayed at Bay Lake, Corey and I went down that slide like a million times.
Yeah, there it is.
We're very familiar with the Bay Lake pool slide.
Yeah.
And anyone that watches these vlogs knows I love a good pool slide.
We do.
So I don't think we'll be doing that one this trip.
No.
So yeah, I really like our little courtyard location.
Yeah, it works out pretty well. It's a nice one.
Yeah, so obviously Bay Lake is part of the Contemporary, so the theming is a little bit more contemporary. You know, we have kind of the art that you'll see. Obviously that kind of is like abstract Mickey Mouse, if you will. I'm not really sure how to explain that. You'll kind of notice like just the details and like the curtains and just really like clean and sleek, contemporary and modern looking. So not as much space as some of the other Deluxe Studios, but like I said, we're only here for one night and you cannot beat the location of Bay Lake. We are walking distance to Magic Kingdom. Tonight we're gonna just walk right over to the Contemporary and eat dinner at California Grill. This location is perfect. So we're excited to be here for a night. It works out for us. There's really not that much like plugins around the room. They're more just like the traditional plugs instead of like the USB plugs that some of the other resorts have. So it's mostly just like those standard plugins that you'll see. Like there's one under the nightstand, but that's just one thing I guess to note as somebody that plugs in a lot of stuff on Disney trips. as far as like cameras and portable chargers and phones and ear pods and whatever we charge these days, and iPads and iPods, whatever. No one has iPods anymore, but that's the deal with the plugs. So, just FYI, there's one down there, and I'll have to search around to find some more plugs. Subscribe, like, and obviously we're here, this is the Disney Vacation Club side of the resort, but you can still book these rooms on cash. We book our clients at Deluxe Villas all the time, so if you're interested in booking, you can reach out to us, and I'll put our information down below, but we are Pixie Vacations by Tiffany and Caitlin at dreampixievacations.com. So I'll show a little bit more of the resort and stuff that we do tonight, but so far, this is our room at Bay Lake.
This is it. Look.
We're taking the Skybridge over to the Contemporary, and we're eating at
Cali Grill.
Cali Grill.
Our favorite.
I love the Skybridge. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the castle, guys. And there's Bay Lake. I wish a monorail would go by. Monorail, monorail. No luck, but everything else is perfect. There's the monorail. How did I just miss that one that came in? And that one's leaving. Bye.
We over here. We had a little thing. And,
All right, we're here to check into Cali Grill for dinner. Okay, it says no torn clothing. Am I gonna get kicked out?
I think you might. You better.
I can't eat there, so my outfit's not appropriate.
the three of us will go.
Yeah.
15.
All right, 15.
Tip top.
You guys ready to eat?
We're ready to mangiare.
All right.
We're hungry, yep.
Yeah.
We are at dinner.
California Grill, here we are.
Yes, and the sun is starting to set, so hopefully they open the shades soon. We're just waiting for our food.
Yep.
Your drink is gone.
Yep.
Was it good?
It was good. Caitlin was the one sucking it down, though.
Yeah, right. Ooh, we've got the pork with polenta. That is a pretty salad. Very pretty presentation. Corey's starting with the spicy kazan.
And then we got the wontons coming.
Nice.
Be good.
All right, dig in, everybody. The shades are going up. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. There's Seven Seas Lagoon. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. We'll have to go outside on the deck. There's the Grand over there. So beautiful. It's perfect, you guys. Gorgeous. Castle on Space Mountain. Was that a good first night for everybody?